Hello again, everyone. So in this activity, what we're going to do is we are going to look at number patterns. Now, previously, you will have thought of patterns probably as red, green, red, green, red, green, or you might think of patterns such as circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. But today we are going to look at number patterns. And this is really, really important as when we progress, okay, we're going to stop counting the holes in the Numicon and we're going to really try to just look at the pattern and know what number it is without having to count. Okay, so first of all, I would like you to get your Numicon shapes and I'd like you to get some counters as well. And the reason that my counters are all the same colour, I'm aware that you might not have this at home and don't worry too much about that, but this having the same colour really helps us focus on the pattern rather than looking at the colour. Okay, so I've got my counters and I've got my number shapes from 1 to 5. Okay, we can use it to 10. If you've got shapes to 10 and you want to use them as well, you absolutely can. That's no problem. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is we're just going to match the pattern on each of these Numicon plates, and I'm going to put it next to it. Okay, so I'm just going to put a 1 like that. 2, I'm going to use both hands and see if you can use both hands for this if you can. So I'm going to put 2 there. For the 5, we've got a pair at the bottom and a pair on top, and then 1 odd one there. And for the 3, we've got a 2, and then we've got a 1 on the top. Okay, and then for the 4, we've got 2 pairs like that. Now, if you haven't got enough counters, you can just do one number at a time. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so here we go. You have copied each of these number plate patterns. Okay, we've got our 1 and our 2 and our 3 and a 4 and a 5. Okay, the next thing I would like you to do is put all of these into a feelie bag. Okay, and mix all of these up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a shape out of the feelie bag. Oh, it's a 5. Okay, I'm going to put it back. And then I'm going to see if I can make a 5. See if I can complete that pattern. This time we're not going to be copying it. So for 5, we had a pair like that. And another pair on top. And 1. Okay, so here is my 5. Let's see if I am right. Let's get our 5 back. Does it match? Yes, it does. I haven't got 5 in a row like this. Doesn't look like that, does it? So my pattern, we've got a pair at the bottom, pair on top, and then 1 like that. Okay, so we've done our 5. Brilliant. Let's choose another number. What we're going to choose next? Oh, it's a 3. I'm going to put it back so I can't see it. And then I'm going to try and make my 3. Did the pattern look like this? It didn't, did it? We had a pair at the bottom and 1 like that. So let me get my 3 back to check if I'm right. Yes, it's correct. That is the correct pattern for the number 3. So we can put that one aside. The next number, oh, it's a 4. Let's put it back so we can't see it. And the 4, I know the 4 pattern looked like this. So let's get my 4 back to check. Yep, 4 looked like that, so I can put that one to the side. The next one is, oh, it's the number 1. Let's put it back so we can't cheat. And I know the 1 was just like that. Okay, there we go. Put that one to the side. The next one, it's a 2. Let's put it back. And the 2, it didn't go this way. If we remember our staircase from previous videos, it was like this. Okay, and the reason that we do it this way is so that we can clearly see When we add one more to the number 2, it's a 3, okay? So let's see if our 2 looks like this. Yes, it does. Okay, brilliant. So we've done all of those. Okay, now you can do exactly the same thing with the 6. If you've got 6 to 10 in your bag, you can just choose out a number, it's 6, and see if you can make 6 using your counters. Okay, let's just see if I got it right with the 6. Yes, I did. Okay, we can put that one to the side as well. Okay, another activity that you can do also to lead on from this is you can get a partner and you can use some of these to make one of the numbers patterns. Okay, so I'm going to, for my partner, which is going to be you guys at home, I'm going to make a pattern, and it's this. Can you guess what number I have made? That's right. Anybody who said it was a 4? You're absolutely right. That is the pattern for the number 4. Let's try one more and then you can have a go at doing these activities at home. Okay, so I'm going to make another pattern. Have a look at this pattern. See if you can tell me what number that is without counting the counters. For anybody that said that's the number 5, you're absolutely right. Let's just get it to check. There we go. You're right. I have made the number 5. So see if you can get a partner as well and start making those patterns and see if you can test them and see if they get it correct. Okay, so give that a go and let me know how you get on.